Hello everybody and welcome to our on-screen tutorial for this week. I'm going to be chatting about Yoast, which is an SEO plugin that we make great use of and we're finding very handy within our own WordPress e-commerce websites. It's a super cool tool, it's very affordable, and today I just want to introduce it to you, starting with some of the SEO Yoast terminology that you will become familiar with if you make use of this tool. They have what they refer to as backlinks and interlinks. A backlink will be a link that you have from your blog or a content page to another website that perhaps you're collaborating with. Maybe it is another industry expert's website, partner site, an operator, a venue, another reseller perhaps. You could also have various microsites that you might be including backlinks to. An interlink will be within the pages within your site. That is an interlink. That's what that means. You'll also hear phrases like keywords and keyword phrases. A keyword is essentially the most popular words that are used by your customers who are searching for your products on Google, and that would form the topics of your blogs and also how you're optimizing your content throughout your site based on the relevant keywords that customers are using to find your products and your business. Readability means how easy is the content or the blog or the listing to read? Does it flow? Do you have the right formatting? Or do you have the right paragraph spacing? The introduction, is there a middle? Is there an end of the content? Has it been laid out properly? Is it easy to read? Is it scannable? The SEO for your images. All of the images also need to be optimized with the relevant keywords relating to the image. Remember that when people are searching on Google and they put in the keywords, the images pop up as well. So that is another way that you can get traffic to your site and people landing on your page, hopefully to purchase whatever it is that you are trying to sell. When you see the words tags, just think of it as another way of categorizing posts or referencing posts, similar to how it would work in a library. So you would add relevant tags, which could be seen as hashtags as well. And you would just make various tags per post that would be there and available and visible so that people can find those posts easier, especially as you have a growing amount of content on your site or blogs and it's starting to get busy and people need to sift through a lot of information. They would then make use of the tags. A slug is essentially, it's not a very pleasant word really, but it is essentially the product name URL. That is what we refer to as the slug in SEO terminology. And that should also have one of the number one primary keywords within that URL. Metadata is the very short summary that you will often see popping up on Google. And that is what needs to be optimized with primary keywords so that people have a very short, punchy summary of what it is that the content is about that will make them select and click on that content to learn and read more. Featured images. Primary images are also known as the parent image. That is the main image of any blog or content that you see coming through. And then you are also able to add other images as well to the blog post or the content page. But a featured image essentially is the main one. We're going to have a very quick look at Yoast to introduce that to you. They have so much information on Yoast. They have a Yoast Academy that you can go and do a whole lot of learning. They have SEO training courses. Their blog is so comprehensive. I've actually signed up with their blog and I get their blog posts every day. They have webinars, podcasts, and workshops. You can learn SEO basics. They have downloadable guides and very, very comprehensive blog posts there. You can actually go and find all of their help and information here in the footer of their page. They have an academy, courses, etc. It's all very, very helpful, and it's straight from the horse's mouth, which is what I really go for, is I'm always focusing on getting the correct information from the source. There you have 27-hour support. They have a help center very similar to ready-made stores, with lots of information, free information that you can download, help you on your way. They have free support forums, and of course they have the SEO Academy. And if you want to purchase their plugin, you can come here to purchase the plugin and read more about them. There are all these different types of plugins that you can have. There is the WordPress SEO plugin, the video SEO for WordPress, local SEO for WordPress. They have Yoast WooCommerce SEO plugin and the new SEO for WordPress plugin. And there are the prices at the end, $69 US. That is how much you will pay for the plugin, and obviously they have some bundled packages as well. I find it really, really good value for money. And if you would like to buy one of their plugins, which by the way, we are not incentivized to share this information with you, I'm just sharing it with you because we use it and we love it. But if you are thinking about your budget and everything, you can maybe keep it on your radar and buy it when they are on sale, because then it will be cheaper, and they do have sales during the year. So that might be something to consider. So good luck with Yoast and SEO for your business. I hope that gave you a little taster of what it is that you need to do and how to get started learning more, especially enhancing and optimizing your e-commerce site for SEO and including SEO in your blogs to attract some free traffic to your site. Thank you very much for joining us, and we look forward to chatting to you again soon.